unleash your inner plant enthusiast and delve into the intriguing realm of plants that look like human body parts. This amazing list will keep you hooked to the screen and leave you in awe. Brain coral. Resembling the folds of a human brain, brain coral is the first on the list of unusual plants. It is an underwater species that forms large, intricate colonies. Thumb cactus. With its thick cylindrical shape and resemblance to a human thumb, this cactus is a unique addition to any succulent collection. Finger cactus. Similar in appearance to a slender human finger, this cactus variety features elongated and segmented stems, adding an interesting touch to desert landscapes. Bolivian Torch Cactus. Another unique one is the Bolivian Torch Cactus. The sleek and upright appearance of this cactus makes it look like a human penis. Baby toes. Resembling tiny toes of an infant, these succulent plants have small rounded leaves clustered together, creating a charming and adorable display. Hot lips. The vibrant red flowers of this tropical plant resemble a pair of luscious open lips, adding a touch of passion and allure to any landscape. White baneberry. This plant gets its name from its white berries, which resemble small eyeballs, giving it an eerie and captivating appearance. Bleeding heart. The heart-shaped flowers of the bleeding heart plant have a distinctive drop-like structure that appears to bleed, making it look like it's straight out of a dream. Hanging lobster claw. A beauty among these unique plants, this plant hangs down with its vibrant red and yellow leaves that mimic the human spine. Cristata cactus. Also known as the crested cactus, its undulating and fan-like growth pattern creates a resemblance to a human brain or a wave-like crest. Bushman's buttocks. This succulent plant features rounded, plump, and fleshy leaves that resemble a pair of buttocks, giving it a playful and cheeky charm. Oriental poppy flower bud. Aptly named for the flower's resemblance to the female reproductive organ, this plant showcases a unique and eye-catching appearance. Wood ear. These jelly-like mushrooms have a distinctive ear-shaped appearance and can easily be mistaken for a human ear. Dried snapdragon. With their snap-like flowers that open and close like a dragon's mouth, these colorful blooms add a touch of whimsy to gardens and bouquets. However, once dried, these snapdragons look like tiny human skulls. Buddha's hand. This citrus fruit resembles a hand with multiple elongated fingers, making it an intriguing and decorative addition to your collection if you decide to grow it. Ladyfinger. Resembling the shape and size of a slender human finger and giving the plant its name, we have ladyfingers, also known as okra. Ladyfinger cactus. Do we even have to tell you which body part this plant resembles to? Well, it can be a quirky addition to your plant collection for sure. And there you have it, the most unique plants to add to your collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow plant enthusiast. And of course, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our next fascinating plant adventure.